Okay, what I'm going to do here is show you how to set up a simple electrical cell. What you need are two different types of metal. Here we have zinc and copper and a liquid that will conduct electricity. This is salty water. We wire it up to this voltmeter. So we'll place the two different metals into the solution. We should see an electric current. There we are. We can also get a slightly stronger current if we use a different type of metal. In this case I'm going to substitute the zinc for magnesium. And again, pressure to them in. And you can see that's going off the scale. Pause. And we don't just have to use salty water, we can use any liquid or anything moist that will conduct electricity. For example, the mud in this pot plant will work very well. As you can see, just take the two electrodes, the two different metals, and stick them in. And there we are.
Just move your hand up.
Oops. See that?
That's good.
And even better, what we can use is a lemon. And instead of our two bits of metals, what we use is a tuppence and a galvanised nail. This is galvanised, is zinc plated. Sorry, I might have just got the shot there. Stick our nail in. I've cut a little slot there just to get it through. 2 pence. And again, I should produce quite a decent voltage. Now, if we want to get a bit more power out of that, what we want to do is get a number of lemons and wire them all up. A number of cells together is called a battery. And what I've got here is, well, I've got a whole bag, 5 lemons. Oops.
That's it. That's it, Glenn.
Now, when we only wire up 1 lemon, the trouble is we only get a very small voltage, which is enough to power this meter, but it's not enough to power any device, anything that might be useful. So what we have to do in that instance is combine a number of lemons. I've got 5 here and they're all wired up. I'll show you how they're wired up because it's important you get this right. It always goes from the coin to the nail, and then the coin to the nail, and the coin to the nail, and at either end, one end is going into the first nail, and at the far end, the end that's attached to the coin is at the other end. Now, if we plug these into the meter, we can see, if we move it on the higher up scale, we can see we get a much stronger voltage. That's on a different scale, so that's about 4.5, 5 volts there, which is enough to power something like this wee digital clock. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Can you see that? Right, you can see it's working now. Take it away. It stops. Well, what we also have is a little musical module. Like I say, with just 1 lemon you wouldn't be able to hear this, but when we join these all up in a battery, it's called a battery, it's a number of cells in series, it plays a wee tune. Of course, you don't have to use lemons, you could use potatoes, limes, oranges, anything like that.
Bye.
Thank you very much, hope that was helpful.